Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland, and today's special dish is baked paneer bread rolls. They are not shallow fried or deep fried, so there is very minimal oil used. So here is my recipe for baked paneer bread rolls. Let's start with the ingredients. Recipe. So for the baked paneer bread rolls, we need all these ingredients. So let's start with the bread slices. So I have cut all the edges, and I have taken 8 slices here. This is 1 cup of shredded paneer, 1 green chili roughly chopped, 1 ginger small piece roughly chopped. This is bell pepper, half of bell pepper roughly chopped, white onion, you can take any onion, thinly sliced, chaat masala 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, red chili powder half a tablespoon, and garam masala powder half tablespoon. And we need some oil to brush the bread rolls, and we need some water. Okay, so in a pan I have about 2 tablespoons of oil, and we are going to get this mixture ready, the stuffing ready. So let the oil heat. So this is my OTG and conventional oven. So I have set the temperature to about 350 Fahrenheit and set it to bake, and I'm preheating for about 15 minutes now. So while my stuffing is getting ready, I'm gonna get this OTG preheated. Okay, looks like my oil is hot. Let's add green chili, ginger, saute it well, add white onion. You can take red onion as well. Add bell peppers, just for that beautiful taste and color. Saute it well. Time to add all dry spices: garam masala powder, red chili powder, salt, and chaat masala. Saute it well. And last item in the stuffing is paneer. So let's add paneer. If you do not have paneer, you can get boiled potato, and also in the stuffing you want carrot or cabbage, any vegetables you would like, feel free to add them, even French beans or green beans. Alright, so I'm going to turn the heat off and let it sit and let it cool off. Alright, so I'm going to place it in a plate and let it cool off for about 10 minutes. Alright, so while my oven is preheating and my mixture is cooling off, I'm going to get the bread ready. So for the bread, just as I said, I cut all the edges. Instead of putting the bread slice in the water, what I did is just get your hands wet and pat it on the bread a couple times on both the sides, so it won't get soaked really badly. So add it in the on the bread, our paneer stuffing, close it. Okay, just like this. Okay, so with 1 cup of paneer, I could make 7 rolls. So that's the proportion, you might need to keep it in mind. So my oven is preheated. Now I'm going to brush the oil on the bread rolls and keep it in the OTG. Okay, as you can see, I have greased them with some oil. You can use melted butter as well. And put it in the oven now. Okay, so there is an oven tray and I've covered it with the aluminum foil. So remember, it's preheated, so it's hot. Make sure you place it on the tray, just like so. And then bake it for about 15 minutes or until they turn golden brown on 350 Fahrenheit. Alright, so in about 20-25 minutes, you see this is how they look. And I'll show you how crispy they are from the outside. Let me put it in the plate now. And here you go. There is no much oil we used in this recipe. And of course, if you want, you can deep fry or shallow fry the bread rolls. These paneer bread rolls are baked and ready. And as you can see, I have served with red sauce, the tomato ketchup, green chutney, and tamarind chutney. Any flavor you would like on a side. So this is how the bread roll looks. I'll show you how crispy they are. As you can see, they are totally crispy on the outer side, and of course the paneer and bell pepper stuffing inside. So this is how my baked paneer bread rolls are made. And I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and of course try it at home. This is a quick and easy snack item and a great party appetizer or just a tea type snack. If you have not subscribed yet, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.